Gamers of yesteryear, business people, and everyone in between, I come bearing bad news. Microsoft had decided it's time to take Skype out back and get rid of it. Teams will take its spot, and unfortunately you only have until May 2025 to get everything off of Skype if you want anything from it. I'm speaking message histories, files, contacts, and everything else. In the description down below, you'll find Microsoft's blog post where they speak about, well, getting rid of Skype and replacing it with Teams because, well, of course they are. I'll get into the details of it in just a moment, but for now, if you want to take anything off of Skype, be it memories or important information, head across to the next link down below where you can sign in with your Skype account on Microsoft's website, and for now, download not only your conversation history, but also your files as well. Once you tick both of or one of these options, just click Submit Request, and within a couple of minutes to hours to possibly days, you'll get access to a copy of everything from your Skype account in a simple downloadable format. Once you submit your request, simply return to this page every once in a while until you're able to download your files and your history from Skype. How long this page will last, nobody knows, but I would assume at least until they shut down Skype completely in May. That being said, it's a good idea to start this sooner rather than later if you want to get anything off of the platform. You likely have some questions as well surrounding, say, having money on Skype if you happen to use Skype for calling, international, locally, etc. Or maybe you have a Skype subscription. What happens to that? Well, scrolling down on this same blog post, they do touch on things here. Moving forward, they'll no longer offer paid Skype features to new customers, including Skype credit and subscriptions that allow you to make and receive international and domestic calls. Current Skype subscription users can continue to use their Skype credits and subscriptions until the end of their next renewal period. Skype credit users can also continue to use their remaining Skype credit. After May 5th, 2025, the Skype dial pad will be available to remaining paid users from the Skype web portal and within Teams. So once Skype gets handled, you'll be able to access these features through Teams, at least for a short while, depending on what exactly you're trying to get from your account. That being said, that is the end of Skype, and this is the official note that they're, well, getting rid of it. It's been a good run, of course. I haven't used Skype in a very long time, but it does bring back many good memories, and as always, it's sad to say goodbye to things from the past. As for using Teams, well, that's a separate issue. At least for now, you get to enjoy Skype while you have it, and that's that. Let me know what you think down below. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.